Power of attorney. What you need to know. A power of attorney is a critical part of estate planning. I am K.P Brar from Solution Law, and today we will discuss what you need to know about this important document. Number 1. Types of power of attorney. Understand the difference between general, limited, and enduring power of attorney. Responsibilities. The person you appoint will make a legal and financial decision on your behalf. Number 3. Choose the right person. Select someone trustworthy and capable of handling these responsibilities. Conclusion. A power of attorney ensures your affairs are managed if you become incapacitated. Seeking legal advice to set up this document correctly is important.